Hi everyone, so today I thought I would do an empties video. I've just got a few things, the bag's not overflowing this month, and I want to do an update on my no buy / low buy. So this month, January 2019, I did a video right at the beginning of the year. I think I actually filmed it before New Year's, but it uploaded the first Friday of January. And I am on a low buy for the year, but I want to keep up my no buy as long as possible. And what I mean by no buy is just not buying any fashion or beauty related items because I don't need any. I'm currently pregnant, so I don't need to buy any clothes unless it's something I really need because I'm not fitting in anything of that category. And so I have been trying not to buy anything because I don't need anything, and the next year I'm going to be, after the baby comes, I'm going to be on mat leave, so I'm definitely not going to need anything for like going to work or anything like that. So I thought this would be a really good time to kind of focus on just maintaining what I have. I love my skincare, I love my makeup, and I've done videos on those to show you guys. I think the makeup one's already uploaded and the skincare one is coming soon. But I'm happy with what I'm doing. So I thought this year is a good year for a low buy / no buy, and January I was able to do a no buy. So I didn't run out of anything that I needed to replenish. And so it is the end of January now and I have not purchased anything, which is awesome. But I did use some things up, so I wanted to show you guys what I used up. And in January, I did make a couple purchases, but they were with gift cards I already had. And they were like gift cards that were going to kind of expire. They were like points things. So I used some Shoppers Optimum points, which I will show you guys. I'm going to do a haul on that stuff later on. And I had a J. Crew coupon. So I might do a J. Crew haul later on too. But both of those things were coupons that I had to either use now, or the J. Crew one would have just expired and I wouldn't have used. And the Optimum points, it was like their bonus redemption time. So those two things I don't count because like no matter what I was going to use those points and stuff. So, but actual purchasing, I have not purchased anything. I haven't even had to replenish anything. So January was a really good month for me. Now as far as my empties go, I used up the Kapari coconut melt. This is just basically a high-end coconut oil. They sell this at Sephora. I bought this right after I found out I was pregnant because I had read that it was amazing to put on your growing tummy, and I liked it, but it does not soak in, and it has a really good smell when you first apply it. It smells like a coconut dessert, but then after a while it leaves a really weird smell. And I find that if I put it on like before bed or something, and I put on my PJs, the smell goes into my PJs, and even after I've washed them once, the smell doesn't come out and I have to double rinse them. So I'm not going to repurchase that. It might be a pregnancy thing, maybe I'm more sensitive to smells, but I don't like it and I'm not going to repurchase it. This is the Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser. I love this. I had already repurchased the full size of this with gift cards from Christmas before the New Year started, so I don't need to repurchase this because it's already been done, and I love this and I'm going to keep using this. Same thing with this. I had already bought a backup of this with Christmas gift cards before the New Year. This is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I love this. It's my toner. I use it every day, morning and night, and it works really well for my sensitive skin. Next, I've got some samples. I had these shampoo samples by Way Hair Care, and this was from Sephora, and I got it for free with like an order or something a while ago. And it's just the shampoo and conditioner. I liked this, but it's way too scented. I would never purchase it, but I did really like it. And I think I posted a picture of how my hair looked after using that on Instagram. So if you want to see how my hair looked after using that, I did think it made it really sleek and nice, but it was just too scented for me and my sensitive nose. This sample I did not like. It is the Living Proof No Frizz shampoo and conditioner. I wasn't a fan. This was, the Way stuff was scented and it was just too strong, but I did like the smell, but it was just too strong for me. This I didn't like the smell of. It was just way too strong, and I felt just like it kind of weighed my hair down, which I guess is good for the anti-frizz factor. So maybe it would be something that I would like in like summertime, but right now I just wasn't a fan of it and I wouldn't purchase it because of the scent. This was something that I've had forever and I finally used it all up, and it's the Christian Dior Rose Lip Balm. They call it Creme de Rose. This is lovely. I may repurchase this down the road, but right now I've got lip balms that I like, and so I don't need it. But this is really nice. If you want to splurge on a lip balm but you don't want to go as crazy as like the La Mer one, which I haven't tried, this is a nice little splurgy lip balm, and it's a beautiful little pink color. And this I also used up. This is an eye cream. This is a full size of the All About Eyes by Clinique. I am still using this because this one is empty, but I had 2 half-size deluxe samples. So I've already started one of the half-size deluxe samples that I had in my medicine cabinet. So I don't need to repurchase this because I already had some backup in my cupboard. And then the last 2 empties that I finished up this month were a mascara. This was a mascara sample from Clinique. But I think they almost have as much as the full size in these samples, and it's the Clinique High Impact Mascara. This is the only mascara that I use, and usually I just keep getting the samples. I try not to have to buy the full size, but when I redeemed my Optimum points, I got a new one because I couldn't remember how old this was. And I also finished one of my eyebrow pencils. I love this eyebrow pencil. It's not expensive. It's by the company Marcelle. You can get it I get it at Shoppers. If you live in the States, you could get it at Target, like they have it everywhere. And it's the Nano Eyebrow Liner, it's called, and has the best spoolie ever on the end. I've mentioned this before, and I wear the color blonde, because as you can see, it's a really warm blonde. They have like a bunch of different colors though. So that is everything I finished this month on my no buy. I am quite proud of myself because I've definitely been tempted. And today I was putting on my skincare, and I freaked out a little bit because my Caudalie serum that is like way too expensive, but I love it. It's the Premier Crew serum. It made like a noise when I like pumped it, and I was like, oh, but it doesn't seem to be running out, but I can't, it's one of those stupid bottles where you can't take the top off to look. So my fingers are crossed that it lasts much longer because I don't have to repurchase it because it's so expensive. But if I run out of that, I am going to just bite the bullet and repurchase it because the skincare that I'm using right now has made such a difference on my skin. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this empties video. Please comment down below if you have any questions or recommendations or comments for me. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And also please click the subscribe button if you'd like to see my videos. I'm going to try and do a like no buy / empties update every month. So if you like these videos, you'll definitely see more of them this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.